So tell me about Tanaruz.
Yeah, so we are Tanaruz Boats, a young but ambitious company based here in Rotterdam, the Netherlands. Long story short, essentially we design, develop and print our own small-scale luxury electric boats here at our own facilities. One thing about us is that we take pride in ensuring that we only produce the most high-end of product, where we put careful attention towards true design engineering and making sure that we incorporate only the highest quality of parts and equipment into our boats. So Tanaruz Boats has existed for about 3 years now, and some of our audience may remember us and our old product line. But at the beginning of 2023, we decided to go through a company refresh, where we decided to take a step back, evaluate our old product line and reflect on our printing experience so far as a means for us to prepare ourselves to take this company to the next level. So as someone who's been a part of Tanaruz's journey so far, I'm so glad that we made this decision, as it's given us a new focus and drive. And as a result, we are more than proud to be able to reveal to you the newest member of our fleet, the Azare 6.5.
What makes Tanaruz unique?
So one thing that makes Tanaruz unique, I would say, is our working facilities. We have our own robotic 3D printer here, one of the largest in Europe, and because of this, it allows us to go through a very efficient process of prototyping where we can experiment and optimize our designs on the fly. Our printer, combined with a small but very talented team, allows us to take full advantage of being able to conduct all of our developments here in-house under one roof. Sustainability is also an important principle at the core of our company. We believe that as a contributor to the luxury consumer market, it's important that we play a part in minimizing our carbon footprint. This is why, when you look into the details of our products, you'll notice how we've made purposeful decisions in our material and equipment choices, as well as the ethics in the production principles that we follow here, all of which that have the objective of improving our sustainability profile. Luxury products and sustainable ethics are two categories that you don't often hear about together. That is why we are proud to be, at this moment, one of the few luxury consumer companies around the world who's made it our mission to find the perfect balance between sustainable production and luxurious delivery.